So a few weeks back, I made a video on how to get Apple Music for free, and then I started seeing comments like this, and this on the video, and then I realized that it was time to make like a follow-up video on this. So here's like part two of how to get Apple Music for free anywhere in the world. In this video, I will provide a new set of premium codes or keys or the links that you will use to get this free Apple Music Pro for you to use, for you to listen to music for at least 2 to 3 months. Okay, so if you haven't watched the first video, then I will leave a link in the description below, or better still, I will also play the video here so that you'll be able to follow it and make use of this new set of codes. If you're new here, my name is Gerard and I make it easy to follow tutorials. So I advise you to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, and also share this video to your loved ones so that they will be able to get this free Apple Music.
First and first, we'll go to settings, then we're going to click on general. So in general, we're going to select region and location. Location and region is the same thing. All right. So here we're going to choose the United States. So whatever it is, the state that you are, just come back, and whichever country that your listing is showing, just choose United States. If it's in United States already, then just leave it as it is. All right. So we're going to come back. I want to go to our App Store. So when we click on the App Store, we're going to go to our App Store. Then we're going to click on the profile there. Then we're going to click there. We're going to come down to country and region. So you want to click on country and region. There it is. Then we'll let it load. Change country and region. Then we're going to go scroll down all the way down to United States. So if you come here and your country and region is already showing United States, then you did the first step, right? If it's not showing United States, then just change it here to United States. They're going to give you some agreement, terms and conditions. Who reads it anyway? Just click on next. Then here you're going to select none. All right, the payment method, select none. Then you're going to fill up this form, just address, street address. Just look for any US address and just fill it. You can just go to fake address generator and generate this and then fill it up. Then when you're done, just click on this is the page you're going to take it next to, then just click on done. Then that is done. All right, so the next thing, we want to come down here, and then we're looking for we're looking for wallet and Apple Pay. All right, wallet and Apple Pay. So if you did that right, then we are going to have this option. Then you're going to come here, then select toggle on this Apple and Wallet Pay. They might give you option to sign in for security reasons. So you're going to do that. Then click on continue here. When you come here, you're going to click on continue. Other terms and conditions, you just agree on the terms and conditions. All right, so it's showing our balance is 0 here, but don't worry, we still know what to do. So we're going to fill up this form here, like identity. All right, so we're also going to fill this with the same street details you got from that fake address generator. You're going to turn this on if you want. Depends, that's your choice. All right, so when you come back here, you see that our Apple Cash has been set up successfully. It's working perfectly. So we want to go back to our Apple ID here. We want to click here, then open it. Then we'll just click on payment and shipping. We'll click on payment and shipping, let it load, and then it brings us here. Then you need to select Apple Cash because that's what we'll be using. All right, so when select Apple Cash here as our payment method and not any other payment method, as a payment method I'll be making use of. Going to load. If showing our balance is 0, don't worry, then just click on add. Don't worry about the 0 balance, just click on add. We really don't need more in the Apple Cash to do any of this. So when you're done, where our Apple Cash has been set up as our payment method successfully. So I've completed the first step for this to get free Apple Music. So you're going to click on the link in the description below. I'm going to leave a link. Click the link in the description below. It's going to bring you here. All right, so we're going to bring you to this page. So just scroll down, then you're going to see an option where they'll tell you they're going to see this option here, redeem now. So just click on redeem now. And when you click on redeem now, it's going to take you to your Apple Music app. You're going to come here. This is like literally the final stage. You want to click here on redeem. Don't worry, we don't have money on our Apple Cash. They give me 1 month. Some persons will get 3 months, some persons will get 2 months. It depends on It depends. They give you randomly. So when you click on that, then we're done. Just click on continue to Apple Music, and then our Apple Music subscription has been set up successfully. So now I have like 1 month free Apple Music subscription, and that's it.
So thanks for watching the video. I hope that was insightful. I hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification. All right, please hit that subscribe button, and see you guys in the next video.